figured out. I had, you see that better. Originally, I had this going to the front. That's wrong. I actually put it in the wrong fitting on the Rabs unit. So this one fits better back here. Let me get you in there closer. That goes all the way back here. Got it above my shock mount. See if I can get it. Kind of see it scrolling through there. Going through there. Right there. And here's the problem. That top line is the back line. And this one with the red cap on it is the front line. This back line doesn't end until it keeps going until about right there. So what I'm about to do is, which I don't have, I'm going to have to cut that top line and then flare it and put the fitting back on, or put the fitting on, and then just join them right there, which is fine because that's in a spot where you can easily access it. So I mean, it's slightly inconvenient, but I don't know if this was made for, it's supposed to be for regular cab short bed, but for some reason this back line is super long. So I don't know what kit they sent me. Lines to Go, I think is what it's called, but I got it from Jeffs Bronco Graveyard, or ordered from them, but I think they drop ship it to me, Lines to Go, whoever they are. Preformed, pre-bent brake lines, stainless steel. The kit cost me $179 through Jeffs. For $170, you'd think they'd get it right. Here, I'll show you what they sent me. Oh, let's say hey to look. Old cop car. Anyway, here's the paper. And the front one, where are you at? Yeah, this one I have to my rear ABS module. This is what it looked like for the rear. Like I said, it was in a U shape. I had to straighten it out. So it says rear half short bed, front half regular cab. So I'm not too sure, but then they have a long bed and an extended cab. And then this one here is my crossover tube for the differential. This little guy, I'm not entirely sure where it goes yet because there's nothing on my truck that matches that. So I don't know. This is the rear brakes, I believe. Yeah, this goes to master to the rear ABS. And then I have, which I was kind of farting around to make sure it was the right one. Let's go back here where it's a little lighter. This is the one that's for the front brakes. Nice, well-made stuff. So I'm going to figure out. Might go ahead and get all this stuff put on today, and then run down to Napa, get me a tubing cutter and a flaring tool, because I don't have any of that. I did, but I got rid of it a long time ago, I think. So anyway, I'm going to get busy doing this front real quick.